This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series episode 12. This series is especially designed for the CSS students who often feel difficulty for the preparation of MCQs part. So it is going to help you for the preparation of MCQs. And other students of PMS and those who give exam test either through FPSC or any provincial exam or through NTS, this series can also be beneficial for you as well. So let's start. In this video we will cover 33 MCQs about the Bengal partition and annulment. First MCQ is, when Lord Curzon became Viceroy of India? Options are 1901, 1899, 1897, 1895. So the correct answer here is 1899. In 1899 Lord Curzon became the Viceroy of India, who announced partition of Bengal. Options are Lord Hastings, Lord Wavell, Lord Curzon, Lord William. So the correct answer here is Lord Curzon. Lord Curzon announced the partition of Bengal. When Lord Curzon announced the partition of Bengal? Options are October 16, 1903, October 16, 1904, October 16, 1905, October 16, 1906. So the correct answer here is October 16, 1905. Secretary of State sanctioned partition of Bengal in options are 1903, 1905, 1907, 1909. So the correct answer here is 1905. In 1905, Secretary of State sanctioned partition of Bengal. What was total area of Bengal? Options are 169,000 square kilometer, 179,000 square kilometer, 189,000 square kilometer, 199,000 square kilometer. So the correct option here is 189,000 square kilometer. It is the total area of Bengal. When Bengal was partitioned? Options are 1910, 1909, 1905, 1904. So the correct answer here is 1905. Out of total population of 31 million of East Bengal, how many were Muslims? Options are 18 million, 20 million, 22 million, 24 million. So the correct answer here is 18 million. What was ratio between Muslims and Hindu in Eastern Bengal? Options are 1:2, 2:2, 3:2, and 4:2. So the correct answer here is 3:2. So the ratio between Muslims and Hindus in Eastern Bengal was 3:2. Who sent scheme of partition of Bengal to British government in February 1905? Options are Lord Byron, Lord Curzon, Lord William, Lord Wavell. So the correct answer here is Lord Curzon. Lord Curzon sent the scheme of partition of Bengal to British government in 1905. Who was the first governor of East Bengal? Options are Mountbatten, Mr. Fuller, Lord William, Lord Hastings. So the correct answer here is Mr. Fuller. So first governor of East Bengal was Mr. Fuller. Which was the capital of East Bengal? Options are Sylhet, Dhaka, Chittagong, B and C. So the correct answer here is Dhaka. Dhaka was the capital of East Bengal. Who observed October 16, 1905, the partition day as day of national mourning? Options are Muslims, Hindus, Sikhs, all of them. So the correct answer here is Hindus. New province of East Bengal brought happier prospects of political and economic life for. Options are Hindus, Sikhs, Muslims, none of them. So the correct answer here is Muslims. Which city became center point of agitation of Hindus against the partition of Bengal? Options are Agra, Calcutta, Delhi, Dhaka. So the correct answer here is Calcutta. Calcutta became the city which was the center point of agitation of Hindus against the partition of Bengal. Under leadership of Hindu delegation went to UK to protest against the partition of Bengal. Options are Nehru, Gandhi, Gokhale, Patel. So the correct answer here is Gokhale. Under the leadership of Gokhale, delegation went to UK. Movement started by Hindus against anti-partition of Bengal started movement started by Hindus against the anti-partition of Bengal started in okay, what was the movement? Options are cow protection movement, quit India movement, anti-British movement, and Swadeshi movement. So the correct answer here is Swadeshi movement. Who agitated for annulment of the partition of Bengal? Options are Sikh, Congress, Hindus, B and C. So the correct answer here is B and C. Congress and Hindus agitated for the annulment of partition of Bengal. When partition of Bengal was annulled? Options are 1910, 1911, 1912, 1913. So the correct answer here is 1911. Partition of Bengal was annulled in 1911. Who criticized annulment of partition of Bengal? Options are Lord Curzon, Lord Minto, Lord Hastings, Lord William. So the correct answer here is Lord Minto. Lord Minto criticized the annulment of partition of Bengal. When Lord Curzon became the Viceroy of India? Options are 1898, 1899, 1900, 1901. So the correct answer here is 1899. Lord Curzon became the Viceroy of India in 1899. When Bengal was divided into two provinces? When Bengal was divided into two provinces, options are 1908, 1907, 1906, 1905. So the correct answer here is 1905. Bengal was divided into two provinces in 1905. What was total population of East Bengal in 1905? Options are 29 million, 31 million, 33 million, 35 million. So the correct answer here is 31 million. Out of total population of 31 million of Eastern Bengal, how many were Hindus? Options are 10 million, 12 million, 15 million, 17 million. So the correct answer here is 12 million. Who sanctioned the partition of Bengal? Options are Stephen, St. John Broderick, Edward Albert. So the correct answer here is St. John Broderick. Broderick sanctioned the partition of Bengal. Who was John Broderick at the time of partition of Bengal? Options are Governor General, Viceroy, Lord, Secretary of State. So the correct answer here is Secretary of State. John Broderick was the Secretary of State at the time of partition of Bengal. At the time of partition of Bengal, who was the leader of Muslims? Options are Nawab Mohsen al-Mulk, Nawab Waqar al-Mulk, Nawab Salimullah Khan, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. So the correct answer here is Nawab Salimullah Khan. At the time of partition of Bengal, Nawab Salimullah Khan was the leader of Muslims. When Muslims accepted common decision of partition of Bengal? Options are 23rd October 1905, 22nd October 1905, 21st October 1905 and 20th October 1905. So the correct option here is 22nd October 1905. Muslims accepted the common decisions of partition of Bengal in 22nd October 1905. In June 1911, which member of the Viceroy's Council made a proposal for the reversal of the partition of Bengal? Options are Frederick Falk, Lord Hastings, Lord Barons, John Jenkins. So the correct answer here is John Jenkins, who proposed the reversal of partition of Bengal in 1911. So 29th MCQ is who left the politics after the cancellation of the partition of Bengal? Options are Khizr Ahad Khan, Nawab Salimullah, Sayyid Amir Ali, Nawab Waqar al-Mulk. So the correct answer here is Nawab Salimullah. Nawab Salimullah left the politics after the cancellation of partition of Bengal. When the partition of Bengal was annulled? Options are 1910, 1911, 1912, 1913. So the correct answer here is 1911. The partition of Bengal was annulled in 1911. Who made announcement of annulment of Bengal in 1911? Options are George II, George IV, George V, George VIII. So the correct answer here is George V. George V made announcement of the annulment of Bengal partition at options are his coronation of Darbar in Delhi, his coronation of Darbar in Bombay, his coronation of Darbar in Karachi, none of above. So the correct answer here is in Darbar in Delhi. first is the right option here. Who wrote a series of editorials in the Comrade condemning annulment? Options are Maulana Ali Shaukat, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, Maulana Zafar Ali Khan, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. So the correct answer here is Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar wrote a series of editorials in the Comrade condemning annulment. So these are a few of the questions to test yourself. You can just pause the video and solve these questions, and make sure you compare your answer from the comment section. Thank you so much.